Journey into the market, the Echo Grid, Trifecta. The contenders. From the leader list, Command Crew, UI, Ubiquity Inc., CRWD, CrowdStrike Holdings. From the Mag 7, Google, Alphabet Inc., Google. AMZN, Amazon.com. AAPL, Apple Inc. From the Bookies Ledger, CTAS, Cintas Corporation. WMS, Advanced Drainage Systems. PLTR, Palantir Technology. Mr. Trifecta's take on the best charts. 1. Ubiquity. UI is leading the race without question. We've got a breakout over a long-term range with volume and momentum lining up. Every major moving average is below the price. That's full system confirmation. This is the one the others are chasing. UI is the pace car. 2. CRWD, CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike isn't exploding, but it doesn't need to. It's holding highs, respecting trend lines, and moving like a heavyweight. MACD is starting to curl upward again. This chart says, I'm not done yet. CRWD is running smooth. 3. PLTR, Palantir. PLTR already made a big move. Now it's consolidating just under resistance. Still above short-term AAs and showing volume pockets. It's not the leader today, but it's on standby, ready to rip again. PLTR is coiled, not cooling. Let's talk about what these names actually mean to the market and what they represent in this race. UI, Ubiquity, networking hardware. Command Crew. Chart-wise, this is a breakout over a multi-week resistance level. MACD is rising. Money stream confirming. Volume supportive, even if not explosive. But the bigger story? UI is infrastructure. Not trend, not story. Hardware. Its leadership says the market is rotating into physical systems, not ideas. This isn't speculative. This is foundation. That's Command Crew strength. CRWD, CrowdStrike, cybersecurity, Mag 7. CRWD is holding highs like a champion, but it's not pushing higher yet. MACD looks good, but money stream is losing edge. This is a leader trying not to fade, not exploding ahead. Industry-wise, CRWD tells us the market is still defensive, still paying attention to digital security and operational protection. When CRWD is in second, the market is saying, we're not done protecting what we built. PLTR, Palantir, AI and Data Intelligence, Bookie Pick. PLT. R is that symbol you can't ignore. Still floating above resistance, still showing volume, still riding retail and institutional attention. But this placement, this says AI still matters, but we want delivery, not vision. Palantir's spot tells us the market is focused on scalable intelligence, not hype. AI isn't gone, it just has to prove itself now. The bookies take. What I see is this. This is like a bowling match. Each symbol's got to stand on its own to win. CTAS is the clear leader by a hair. Broke through resistance, still climbing. MACD, MS, and green volume all confirming. 2. PLTR is pulling into second. Price is weakening a bit, but it's still through resistance. 3. UI and CRWD are neck and neck. UI edges out by a nose. CRWD is having a harder time breaking out. Money stream looks weak on CRWD, stronger on UI, but volume is in question for both. Mr. Logical, final word. So here's what we've got. Commentator says UI is pushing ahead with real structure. The bookie's eye is on CTAS, and he's watching for volume tells. CRWD is still respected, but fading. PLTR is holding, not leading. The bookie called it early, and this time the chart agrees. PLTR is still holding. It's above resistance, coiled and waiting. UI is rising, but it hasn't cleared the wall. It's a watchlist name, not a podium finish. Not yet. This rivalry recap, based on list representation. Bookie picks, 2 entries, CTAS, PLTR. Command Crew, 1 entry, UI. Mag 7, 0 entries. That gives the bookie the list win today. 2 out of 3 on the podium came from gut picks, not the system. The Command Crew stays in the fight with UI showing setup strength. The Mag 7, once again, not in the race. You heard it here first on Journey into the Market. Disclaimers, not investment advice. I may own, trade, or short any security mentioned. Trading involves risk of loss. All charts and metrics are produced in-house from public market data and current news. Full disclaimer. https://notesideasandthoughts.wordpress.com/disclaimer